So here's a site out on our trail B, or about B450, and obviously this is a planting area, so designated with sign and with trees that are ready to go on the ground. But we also have a problem here where we have a bunch of these guys. These are our tallow, our non-native, our invading tree. So one of the things we sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, but in general, you wanna control those invaders first. It's gonna be a lot easier to do your restoration project, to do your planting and have those plantings be successful if you don't have those competitors, those invaders competing, and also if you don't have those invaders around, because then you won't need to herbicide or apply things that might also be problematic for your planted individuals. Now these guys I can tell, so these, if you can see here, this tallow, it's a relatively straight branch, and then it splits. This is characteristic of being mowed and being bitten, or in this case most likely weed whacked, and now it's sort of having this rosette, so it's exploding. And so obviously, physically cutting them can work, but a lot of our most problematic invaders, they're pretty disturbance tolerant, in some cases disturbance loving. And so if we do just sort of a gentle or sort of one pass treatment to get those invaders out of here, that won't necessarily work. And certainly for these tallow, we need to go much more aggressive and physically pull them out. And so these guys, you could probably come in and grab one, and let's see, I can't do it one-handed. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Yeah, okay, so there. So relatively small root, not like our big robust native critters. So I can pull that out. That's a better way to get rid of these guys. So what I would do, so if we were getting ready to do this restoration, the first thing I do is have all the volunteers come here and first hand pull all of these problematic invaders first. And then we'd have a nice patch to plant in that we wouldn't be in danger of being confounded by the crazy invaders here, in this case in Southeast Louisiana, in our Woodlands Trail site.